How to use fenugreek for breast enlargement. We would like to present you fenugreek, a miraculous herb that can help you grow your breast larger. Yes, that's true. I have done a lot of research about natural breast enlargement and I have found out that fenugreek works the best. Not only it can increase your breast size but also it is very useful during breastfeeding because it can greatly increase the milk supply. Fenugreek is well known because it has to do with the female breast. It increases the breast size of women while being a perfectly safe herb for women who breastfeed their babies. As well as do many other herbs are versatile. Here I have a breast enlargement recipe with fenugreek seeds that offers guaranteed results. This is how to prepare fenugreek for breast enlargement. Recipe for breast enlargement with fenugreek seeds. There are two different types of the same recipe, one for use in the morning and one for the afternoon. In the morning, boil 1½ teaspoon fenugreek seeds in a cup of water for 10 minutes. Drink it when it becomes cool. In the afternoon, add 1 pinch of anise, basil, cumin, dill, marjoram, lemongrass, and boil them all together for 7 to 10 minutes. Drink after cooling. If you have issues with your blood sugar like if you are hypoglycemic, I suggest you not to use fenugreek because it can mess you up. Fenugreek seeds are also in the market in the form of capsules. Capsules come in upward of 600 milligrams. And fenugreek seeds come in bag of about 8 to 16 ounces. Before taking fenugreek in supplement form, it would be wise to consult your physician. The herb is considered a plant-based estrogen, so while it's relatively safe, it could affect any hormone-related conditions or medications you're already taking.